Good morning, first grade. I hope everybody had a really great weekend and you had a lot of fun and you were able to relax a little bit too. And I hope you enjoyed the extra hour of sleep. Although maybe the grown-ups enjoy that just a little bit more. I don't know. But anyways, welcome back. I'm excited for a new week. It is a new month. So today is Monday, November 2nd, 2020. It is our 43rd day of school. So I've updated our coins. Today, your special is library at 11:45. And before we go through the schedule and the riddle, I'll remember to tell you today, uh, let's go ahead and stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right. So for today, first thing coming out this morning will be your application problem for lesson 35 in math. There will also be a deep dive lesson on adjectives, and then there will also be an additional wit and wisdom lesson, a video lesson, and then a response in your journal. So there'll be three things coming out this morning at 9. We will have an optional Flipgrid that will go live this morning as well, and feel free to answer it at any time during the week or not at all. It's just the optional one. But the question for the Flipgrid is, what do you want to be when you grow up? So if you do go onto Flipgrid, you can check out my answer. And I look forward to hearing what you think, what you want to be when you grow up. Then we'll have our 10 a.m. class, and we will do word building. So if you could please bring these letters, A, B, E, G, P, R, S, T, U, and a blank dictation paper. And then you can send the dictation and your recorded decodable after the live 10 a.m. class. And then we'll meet again at 1 for our math lesson. And you'll need both workbooks today. There is another sprint in the yellow fluency practice workbook, as well as then your problem set will be in the blue spined book. And if you could bring a dry erase marker and your sleeve as well as normal, that would be great. And that should do it for today. The riddle for today is, what is full of holes but still holds water? What is full of holes but still holds water? So I'll let you see if you can figure that out, and I will try to remember to tell you at 10, but if not, just remind me. I appreciate that. So I hope everybody has a great morning, and let me know if you have any questions or if you need any help. And can't wait for a new week, new month, and I'm excited, ready to go. All right, I'll see everybody soon. Thanks. Bye.